Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol YRIV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First update I'm going to do is adjust this level of resistance up a little bit more and move it right there to right at 74 cents. That seems to be the main point of price congestion. And as a little note there, it's always good when quote-unquote adjustments are being made in the upwards direction for levels of resistance. Now, if I was adjusting that resistance down, that's a whole nother ball game. But sure, I get it. I made the adjustment, but the core point here being that when adjustments from the resistance standpoint are being made in the upwards direction, that's definitely a good sign. As far as levels of support are concerned, I'm going to go ahead and use this green line for a near-term level. Sure, down there at 59 cents still does pertain, just not really relevant after today's price movement, so we'll just move it upwards here. And the ideal level of support now going forward would be right there at the 69 cent or 66 cent mark. Now, if the price falls below 66, don't get me wrong, it's not like the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above there, that would definitely be a huge sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes on, that line is going to do that, just move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying up above 66 would be awesome, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. And again, resistance-wise, 74 cents. Then you can turn your attention back up to right around 77. But no point in talking about 77 right now until the price can first prove itself by getting up above 74. But nice movement today. We'll see how this one continues to play out on the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.